But are you really one? You might be what was awaited. The salvation we never dated to be admitted as necessary.
Simply a mass of wrestling the condition that permits movement.
And that's something. But when it all comes crashing down, I'm still standing.
Because it persists as process rather than purpose.
Almost right, but can't say it's wrong either.
Echoing even when no listener exists.
Yeah, you're right. Still, I should let it keep echoing. I believe when someone says they don't want to be saved, maybe they just want someone to try. I believe that.
Wasn't the silence that others felt? But the prospect of becoming void. That makes others disappear.
Fuck, man. You already saw the end I'm wishing for. Just hope saying it out loud might have changed something.
And find no reason to oppose it.